Hello teachers! Welcome to the Canvas Quiz Technology Training Workshop. We will be learning today about the Canvas Quiz feature, how to create a quiz on Canvas, and how to create a quiz on Canvas. Once a quiz is created and assigned, your work is done. Canvas will do the rest. It grades each quiz and posts each student's quiz score on your Canvas Gradebook account. The first step in order to create a Canvas quiz is go to your Canvas class, and you will see on the left hand side of your Canvas page a rectangle of different list of parts of Canvas. So click on the quizzes section, which I have clicked on, and now I'm going to click edit. To show you how we're going to set this up. Okay, on the top right of the screen is a blue rectangle with, and this is, I've already set this up, but on the right hand side there is a blue rectangle. Once you click on quizzes, on the right hand side there will be a blue rectangle on the right. It will say the word quiz with a plus sign. You click on that and it will start the creation of the quiz, which is now on, you can see on the screen before me. So your assignment for this class is to create a 5-question quiz that you'll be using in your classroom. So, and we discussed this before you came to this class, so you probably have the materials in front of you. Now we'll talk about how to actually do that. Okay, the quiz I'm going to be developing today as a demonstration is called Cottonwood High School. Okay, and these are going to be questions about our high school. Okay, I'll begin by naming the quiz up in this top rectangle here. You see I've typed in Cottonwood High School. And next, this is called Quiz Instruction section. Under the Rich Text section here, you see I have typed in the instructions for the quiz. Okay, the instructions I have, the following 5 questions. Assess your current knowledge of Cottonwood High School. You may rely on your memory or refer to Wikipedia for the answers. Anyone who finds an incorrect answer in this quiz will receive 100% on the quiz. That's just something I normally do with students to encourage them to check me. Okay, all right, so let's scroll down here under the quiz. The quiz type is a graded quiz, so that will provide for the grades being kept by Canvas. And I always click on the option to shuffle the answers so that each student has a different version of the quiz in front of them. The answers are in a different place also, so all the right answers won't be in the same spot. I normally have no time limit. I allow multiple attempts. I let students see their quiz responses. That's checked. And I don't let them see the correct answers, and that's a default, so I always uncheck that. And I show one question at a time, so they just see the question that they're working on. I don't have, I normally don't, on my quizzes, have dates, but you're welcome to put an assignment, a due date, and certain dates that the quiz is available, and then after which it won't be. They won't be able to take it after the final date that if you put that into this part of the quiz. Okay, so now we have the general instructions section. Let's go back, and we've saved, so we're going to go back to edit again, and we finished the details section up here at the top, and the second tab is the actual questions for the quiz. So now we'll click on questions for the quiz. Okay, and show question details. And I'm going to click on edit here so you can see how I set this up. So be sure you want to number the question. This is question number 1. And these are all multiple choice questions, although I'll show you that there are many different kinds of questions that you can do in Canvas. True, false, fill in the blank, essay questions. I particularly like multiple choice, but also be true of true, false. Those are automatically graded. I don't need to go back in and grade them, so that's kind of a nice feature. Okay, question number 1. You just type it in here. And my first question was, when was Cottonwood High School built? And you put the correct answer under this green arrow right here, and then 3 additional answers for the multiple choice part of the quiz. Okay. And I always, because of that bad experience I had when I didn't update each one, I update the question at the end of each question. Continually save on this. If you don't push the save button, I learned the hard way that it will not save your quiz. Okay, so let's go to another, just for an additional demonstration. Okay, so again, edit the question, question number 2, type the question in here, and type the 4 possible answers, the correct answer at the top, and update the question. Okay, so I have done this for all 5 questions. Okay, all right. And when you are finished typing all of the questions, you just push save, or if you want it to actually use it in the classroom, which I won't be doing with this, you'd want to put save and publish so that the students will have access to it. Okay, and that's it for now. When you finish creating your quizzes, please add me as an observer to your Canvas page, and I will review the quizzes. I'll be happy to be available to any of you to, if you're having any questions about this, and we'll work on it now, but if in the future, you're welcome to email me, and I put my email on the board, and let me know. I'm happy to stop by and help you individually with anybody who has questions with this. I hope you enjoy this. Once you have created this and the students take it, the answers will go automatically. They will be graded by Canvas and will go automatically into your gradebook page for the class that you've assigned them. That's all for today. Thank you for being here.